Good morning students. Today I am going to start new chapter number 14, electric current and its effect. In this chapter we will study about the symbol of electric components, about the heating and magnetic effect of electric current, about the electromagnet and how the electric bell is worked. So let's start our chapter. Student, as soon as we press the switch of a bulb, that is in a on position, something flow in a wire and the bulb start glowing. So this something is called electric current, and the closed conducting part through which current can flow, that is known as circuit. So an electronic component, if we want to define what is electronic component, an electronic component can be as an element of an electric circuit that help in its functioning, and the electric circuit allow electricity to flow through it and is used to provide electricity for various purposes such as running electric motors, providing electricity to a bulb or a fan, and in a generating heat. So if we talk about the symbol of electric components, you see some common electric components can be represented by the symbol. So if we see carefully the symbol, in the symbol of electric cell, we notice that there is a longer line and a shorter line. So we know that the electric cell has two terminal, that is positive terminal and negative terminal, and in the symbol of electric cell the longer line is represented by the positive terminal and the shorter line represent the negative terminal. Electric bulb is shown in this manner in a symbol. Switch in a on and switch in a off position represented by this manner, and the battery is represented by this manner. In the battery, we can say the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. So this combination is known as the combination of two or more cell, that is known as battery. So if we want to define a battery is defined as a combination of two or more cells. In a battery, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal of the next cell, and so on. And batteries are used in several devices such as toys, remote control car, and torches and transistors. So we can define battery that there is a combination of two or more cells, and the wire is presented in this manner. So that when we connect the cell to prepare a battery, we use a cell holder, and you can also make your own cell holder by using a wooden block, two iron strip and a rubber band. But you have to careful that when you place the cell in a cell holder, the positive terminal of the cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. See student, our next topic is electric circuit. So if you show in this figure, you can see that there is a cell, there is a bulb, and there is a key. So an electric circuit can be drawn on a paper with the help of a symbol that are used for representing the electronic components. So such a representation of an electric circuit using its symbol is called an electric circuit diagram. See, symbol of the cell is this one, and the bulb is shown like this, and the key is shown like this, that is known as switch also. So the electric circuit diagram consists of a key that act as a switch for the circuit, and the key can be placed anywhere in the circuit. So there are two types of circuit, open circuit and closed circuit. So when the key is switched off, or we can say open, the circuit is said to be an open circuit and it is incomplete. That's why we can say that this circuit is open circuit. And in a closed circuit, when the key is switched in a on position and it is closed, so the circuit is closed, is said to be a closed circuit, and because it is a complete circuit, so when the key is in a on position, that is closed circuit, and when the key in a off position, then it is known as open circuit. Our next topic is heating effect of electric current. When an electric current pass through a wire, the wire gets heated up. जब भी हम इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो होता है वो वायर से पास होता है तो वायर जो होता है वो हीटेड अप हो जाता है, एंड दिस इज नोन एज द हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. The heat that is produced in the wire, that is depending upon upon some factors like the material of the wire, the length of the wire, and the thickness of the wire. And many appliances work on the heating effect of electric current, like electric heater, electric iron, electric stove, geyser, electric coffee maker, toaster, hair dryer, and many more items work on a heating effect of electric current. The appliances which work on a heating effect of electric current produce a high amount of heat when electricity passes through them. However, this amount can be changed depending upon the requirement of the device, and this is also because they contain a coil of wire that is known as its element. So depending upon the amount of heat required by appliances, different types, size and length of wire are used in them. The light is producing in the bulb due to the heating effect of electric current. The filament of a bulb is a coil wire, and that gets hot when electricity is passed through it, and this makes the filament glow, and as a result the light is produced from the bulb. But the electric circuit that shown in the consist of a bulb, the bulb has a wire that present inside it, that is known as filament, and when the electric current pass through the filament, when the filament is closed, when the electricity is in a high level, the filament break down and the bulb get fused. जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो होती है उसका हाई लेवल की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होती है, फिलामेंट जो होता है वो ब्रेक कर जाता है और बल्ब जो होता है वो फ्यूज हो जाता है. सो व्हेन द फिलामेंट ऑफ अ बल्ब ब्रेक, द सर्किट ऑफ द बल्ब बिकम्स इनकम्प्लीट. सो द बल्ब डज नॉट ग्लो and it does not receive any electricity. So we can say the bulb is fused. So the remaining part of this chapter, student, we will take in a next video.